Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with PK. So in this class I will be telling you Descendent Selectors in CSS, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the video. I'm telling you in this class Descendent Selectors in CSS. So first of all, the main thing, your Sublime Text Editor will be open it. And I will be open it. So sorry, my Sublime Text Editor. Oh, and I will tell in next class I will tell you targeting multiple elements, save, erase, save. So I will be, that class is also related to target element, but this class main topic is Descendant Selector. First of all, here I will be write Descendant Selectors, save, refresh. So here is come. So what is Descendant Selector? First of all, you can go to the Google and here you can write font awesome CDN 5.14.0, enter and click 1 and copy it. And you can go here. So I will tell you in next class, you will be go here and I will be write it and paste them here easily. Then nothing will do because I will not write anything. Now, then here you can write I class will be FA select envelope. You can pick any your icon. I will pick envelope icon, envelope, save, and sorry, spelling is incorrect. Refresh. So it is come easily. So here you can write like, first of all, you can go to the here and here you can write background hashtag 00, enter. So refresh here because nothing do because I will not link a file to style dossier. So I will be link it, then save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. So here I will be write like I colors will be white, margin 500 pixels, text align will be center, justify content will be center, align items will be center, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. But the size is very font size 100 pixel, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it is bigger, but I will make much more. Here you can write 150 pixels, save, refresh. So here you can see it. It is coming Descendant Selector. You can pick your any icon. Here I will be write like key, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can phone, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. So I will be do one thing. I will be copy that. Sorry, here I will be copy it. Then paste them here. And here I will be write phone. And here I will be write key. Here I will be write Twitter. Here I will be write, sorry, here I will be write Facebook. Then you can save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it. It is coming like that. But Facebook and that it is not coming. So here you can see it. That way you can, sorry, here I will be write FA. Sorry, here I will go FAS. And now it is not coming, so not problem. Here you can see it. You get your email and that icon is came. So in this class I will be tell you Descendant Selectors in CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.